You learn most when you are there on the job, and this is the next best thing. There's no gatekeeping here. If you're tired of learning unrealistic photography from yet another styled shoot, well, you're gonna like this a lot better, and I'm excited to share it with you with Shadow A Pro. Shadow A Pro is behind the scenes look at over 21 weddings and engagement sessions, real ones, not curated ones, not necessarily even my best, most visually appealing ones. They are real, they are raw, they're exactly what I do on any given wedding day. My name is Vanessa Joy. I've been a wedding photographer, not for 5, not for 10, but for over 20 years. The amount of wedding photography knowledge I have in my brain is absolutely bursting out. I've always said one of the best things that you can do if you are starting out as a photographer is to work for as many different wedding photographers as you possibly can. And I'm excited to share it with you because you'll be able to come with me on over 20 real jobs. Find the things that you like that I do that you want to emulate. See the things that you don't like what I do, and make sure you never do them in your own wedding photography business. Now, of course, I can't just leave you with all of the hours and hours and hours of real behind the scenes in Shadow A Pro. I also have videos there for you that are direct instruction on things like lighting the reception details, lighting the toasts, and so much more. So you're getting the best of both worlds: real weddings, real application, real scenarios, how I'm managing on my feet, how I'm managing time crunches, what I do when things just flat out don't work out. You'll see real weddings across multiple states in the United States, across multiple months. There's everything in there from spring wedding, summer, fall weddings. There's New York City style weddings. There's Texas weddings. There's so many different weddings in there that are really going to help you no matter where you are in your wedding photography career and where you are in the world. Now, I can't just have a course without giving you a bazillion bonuses, so I have packaged together pretty much everything I could think of when it comes to weddings. I'm giving you my very favorite pre-shoot client questionnaire, the 5 questions that I ask all of my clients before I photograph them. I'm showing you my family starter list. So there's a very specific order. You should photograph families, but that they're done in 10 minutes or less. You will see that on repeat when you watch these behind the scenes weddings, and I'm giving you the exact format and how I get that done. There's a posing cheat sheet. There's a second photographer guide. There's even a posing phrase sheet that will help you prompt your clients to get authentic, real emotions instead of solely staged ones. I can't talk about weddings without talking about my same-day edit process. It's the best marketing thing I've ever done for my business, and it's something I've consistently done for the 16 years that I've owned my own photography business. It has brought in so many leads, so many booked clients, I couldn't even begin to count how valuable it is. And of course, that's inside here as well. You are getting so much content, so many more bonuses that you're probably seeing on the screen right now, in addition to the actual meaty content that Shadow A Pro provides. Everything as real and raw as it gets. You'll see how I pose absolutely massive groups, what I'm doing with indoor and outdoor flash photography, low light situations, photographing florals, capturing the ceremony space, doing fun bridal party photos, and so much more. Oh, and then last thing, I'm also giving you a free month to Photo Insiders. Photo Insiders is my subscription group. It is the people, the photographers that are closest to me, that learn the most from me, and are getting access to that for free to check out all of the hours and hours and hours of content that I have there as well. So that is Shadow A Pro. I know you're going to get a ton of information, ton of knowledge that is extremely applicable to you as a wedding photographer. It's really just the hurrah of my photography career. All of the knowledge that I've accumulated, all of the mistakes that I have made, the successes, all of it is here for you to consume and apply to your photography business. Well, don't apply to failures, but learn from them like I did too. I hope to see you inside Shadow A Pro.